Hello, 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 and welcome back, my loves. If you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. In this tutorial today, I am showing you how to do some easy, simple, medium, curly in box braids. Stay tuned and I'll show you just how to get these done. My subscriber of the week goes to, and I thank you. All right, let's just get right into it. You guys, my hair has been washed, conditioned, stretched, and separated, pre-parted, ready for these braids. When I say this is the smartest idea ever, it is. It took away a lot of time as well, so it didn't take me that long to do these braids. You can get this hair at your local beauty supply store or Amazon, sweethearts. All of my products are going to be listed in the description box below. I went straight to the Shine and Gem because I oiled and greased my scalp so much to where I'm like, I cannot put any more in. So make sure you are oiling and greasing your scalp as you go, or do it the night before. Make sure your parts are neat with your edge brush. Use it, it really works. Okay, sweethearts, when gripping, you're gonna put the hair between your thumb, your pointed, your middle, and your ring finger. And you're gonna grip really tight, but not too hard. Because if your hair is too tight, you're not gonna be able to go to sleep. You're not gonna be able to blink. Believe me, it will be very uncomfortable. So when you're braiding, you make sure it's really, really tight, and you're making sure there's no hairs around it so it won't get caught up in it. When you're about to separate into three, you're going to separate it just like that by borrowing hair from the other piece of hair, and then you're going to braid them down together. That's how you separate them into three. Okay, as you're braiding down, you're gonna make sure it's really staying tight, staying the same grip as you would as you started, and just continue to braid down. We're gonna do underhand because it's hard to keep braiding down doing your hair by yourself all the way back. So you're gonna twist it and then do underhand. I'm showing you this piece because at the end I'm going to tie a baby knot around it, but I just didn't know what I was going to do until I was like halfway done with the hair, and then I decided to do curls. Another reason that I like showing you guys how I do my back, or I just like to show you each and every angle while doing your hair by yourself, while DIYing your hair, because it can be challenging. You don't know where your arms are supposed to go, which way your fingers are supposed to go on where the braid is. So that's why I like showing you guys each and every angle. Okay, you guys, make sure you're blending your hair in with the synthetic hair by adding Shine and Gem to your natural hair and then braiding it in. It'll make it easier to camouflage your hair in the synthetic hair. When I braid my front of my hair, I like to put the edge control on before I'm done with my hair because I'm going to be putting it on anyway, so I might as well go ahead and do it now. Again, you guys, the front of your hair is the most sensitive part of your hair. It tends to fall out or get pulled out more than any part of your hair. So be more careful. Don't braid too tight. Braid hard, but not too tight. Whatever I'm doing to this side of my hair, I'm going to be doing to the other side. So just mirroring it. Just continue to braid, just continue to go down. You'll be done in no time, especially when you pre-parted your hair. You guys, we are on the last braid. Guess how long this took me? This only took me 2.5 hours. Why? Because I pre-parted my hair. I prepared. I got it ready. So I suggest you do the same if you want to be done in no time. I have a total of 54 braids. Not that many, you guys. I'm telling you, when I say it did not take long at all, it did not. I'm ready. I'm ready for the summer. These are light. The air is blowing through. They're not too long. They're not too heavy, you know, because I don't like the summer like that. So heat is, I can't stand it. So having a lot of hair on my neck will cause me to get hot. So this is the perfect hairstyle for that. All right, let's cut all our flyaways off. Cut the ends, pull your hair, pull the braids up, and then cut around and make sure there's no hair sticking out. Those are cutting away your flyaways. Okay, so for an extra curl on my braids, I'm going to add some Cantu mousse. It's a curling mousse, and I'm just going to add them on the ends. I'm using my perm rods, and we're just going to twist the hair all the way up and then clamp it, and that will be it for all of it. We're going to do at least 3 to 4 strands. Okay, when dipping your hair, please be cautious. If there's someone around you and you need some help, ask them to help you dip your hair. Please be cautious. Again, that water is boiling hot. Well, Imani just wanted to stop by and say hello. Say hi. Hi, Imani. Okay, sweethearts, I'm using this anti-itch serum by Esha. Put it on your parts. I'm telling you, it works and it'll stop you from itching. And it's like a minty feeling to your hair. So get this product. It's going to be listed down below. While putting this mousse in, go ahead and detangle your hair going down. Get those curls nice and loose. Perfect for this hairstyle. I love this mousse. I think it's amazing. And this is the final results, my sweethearts. O-M to the G. I love it. I love it. I really, really love it. It's neat. It's simple. It's not too heavy. You know, it's light. I'm telling you guys, there's so many hairstyles you can do with this. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love you guys, even if I don't know you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll definitely see you guys next time.